Okay, so we wanted to show you quickly how you would set not only the sort order of the country list for signing up, but also limit or restrict the countries that you allow signups in. So this is just the distributor sign up page here, and if we actually take a look currently, you can see that the current country list is started with the USA, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and then all the other countries in the world minus 5 or 6 in alphabetical order. So let's say I wanted to turn off the islands and Afghanistan, and I wanted Canada to be first on the list. How would I go about doing that? Okay, well, the first thing I'd do is I would log into admin. I would go into the configuration section, and I would go down to country code. Country code is where you set the actual country codes, the telephone number country code, as well as where you control sort order and what countries are available for sign up. So you'll see right now we have the islands as 1. If I wanted to make them to go away, I would actually change the sort order to 0 and hit update. 0 means don't display. Now throughout the system, web editor and many other places, 0 sort order always means do not display. So as I look here, I can now see that the island is set to 0. If I wanted to set Afghanistan to 0, I would also hit the same thing. Okay, so now that I've got that set to 0, I would go down to Canada and change its sort order from where it is. So currently Canada is set to a 4. I'm going to set Canada to a 1. And by setting Canada to a 1, it's going to jump to the top of the list. And the reason for that is, if we actually scroll down to the USA, you'll see that the USA was already set to, I believe, a 3. Yeah, so USA is 3. So it's going to show everything in order by the sort order. So in this case, US was 3. United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia were 4. So they came underneath alphabetically the United States. And then everything else came alphabetically because it was all set to sort order 5. So let's just go see if that worked out. So if we come back to our sign up page, hit refresh, we should now see Canada at the top, just like expected, United States, Australia, United Kingdom, and you'll see that the islands and Afghanistan are gone. Okay, so if you wanted to turn everything off except the United States, you'd simply go back into the country code area, set all of them to sort order 0, and they would all disappear, leaving you with just the United States on the list or just the particular countries you want to allow. Then as you expand, you can go and enable countries. By default, we turn the countries all on except for China, Colombia, Ghana, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Romania. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks so much.